Hi there, queens. It is Jennifer Nicole Lee, and I'm here with
Yeah.
And guess what? We're going to give you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look to our amazing, wonderful, one-stop VIP shop fashion show. Woo! We're here at one of the hottest destinations in all of South Beach. And right here upstairs is the stairway to VIP heaven. So you're getting an exclusive behind the scenes to all that we're doing production-wise in anticipation to create an amazing experience where we celebrate the one-stop VIP shop for everyone that has purchased through this website. This new expansion, explosion of beautiful drinkware, clothing, outfits.
So much.
Oh my God, so many great things that you are just absolutely loving. And guess what? We're giving you a fashion show.
Yes, we are.
Yes. Look at this beautiful space. We're gonna have the runway, beautiful vendor. We're in the heart of everything hot. And we're so excited. Don't miss it. We'll see you on February the 5th, 2022.